So you just got through the holidays opening all these booster packs, and now you're left wondering, how do I get organized? My name is Mike, and we'll be going from this into this. The first thing we want to do is see if we got a hit. And it looks like in this case I did. The next thing I'll do is I will separate these according to energy. I actually make a separate for the trainer. Some of you have these ETB booster boxes, and some people actually throw these boxes away not knowing what these are for. These help you organize your cards. I use this one for my energy cards. So these are the dividers. You put it right here, and then you would take your energy and you can easily place it in there, so that way, nobody uses energy, so good storage. I usually get the 2-inch binder, so that way, I can actually put several different sets in one binder. Get you a bag of these card dividers. And again, I have these organized by set. So Crimson Invasion, Burning Shadows, I can just really flip to it. XY. Astral Radiance. And so you'll get you this pack here, and you'll just literally take a stack of these and just put it in there. Now what you'll notice about my set here, I've got some blank spots. So number 1 I'm missing, but number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on, 10, 11, 12. And so what you're doing, Pokemon makes it easy because they're in numerical order by energy. So now we went to fire. Now we went to water. And you can see 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. And it just keeps going. And this is good with every set. 47, 48, blank spot, 50, 51, and so on. So I'm going to grab my Weird Deer here, and I get a sleeve for it because I do that with all my holographic cards. And we're looking for 69. So this is 67, 68 is blank, 69. As you can see, I didn't have it before, but now I have it. And so on, 70, 71, 72. Same thing with Togepi, since we're already on the psychic energy. Now, one thing you're going to notice here is I have Togepi right now. And what I do is, if I pull that out, I've got a front and back. I usually put the shiny in the front if I get a shiny, and then I flip the back to the normal. And I try to just limit it to 2 cards, front and back, shiny on this side, and then, you know, the regular card on the back. Just so that way I don't take up too much space, and you're going to get multiple hits as you collect these cards. So because this is a duplicate card, there's no reason to put this in the binder. And as you collect these, you're going to realize that you're going to get lots and lots of duplicates. This particular one being Astro Radiance, and everything in that booster you just opened will be Astro Radiance. That's where these guys come in handy, the ETB boxes. This is probably a horrible example because this is Crown Zenith, but it still works nonetheless. You grab your duplicate card, you put it in there, and then once you put it in there, you get your divider. So all your psychic cards, throw them in there, divider, electric, fire, so on. So just to reiterate, we have Silver Tempest and Astral Radiance, and when we pull the cards out, you're going to notice the Silver Tempest cards have a different symbol than the Astral Radiance cards. So step 2, you've got all of your Silver Tempest, all of your Sword and Shield, all of your Astral Radiance. So now you'll grab them, and so you'll start separating by energy type. So obviously we got fighting, psychic, psychic, psychic. And again, I'm separating trainer from the actual colorless Pokemon here. Then we go to our binder. Yanma is number 6. And so again, shiny goes on the top. And then you'll see I've got some duplicate Yanmas. So all I want is 1 shiny and 1 non-shiny. And we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this will go right here. And you can reconfirm that for 005, 006. So what if I just mixed everything up and I had a big stack of just random Pokemon cards, different symbols? So the first thing I would do is I would separate by the symbol on the bottom left there. So take that one, that one. So lucky that we're, okay, so this is energy. We're going to go set that off to the side. This is a different symbol. So let's make this a little bit more difficult. Let's just say we have a stack of cards and there is 4 or 5 different types of boosters in here. Right here we got Astral Radiance. You know, Astral Radiance, we got Silver Tempest, and all sorts of just a hodgepodge of different cards. So I'm going to go with the Astral Radiance, and I'm just going to create a stack for each set. So this being Astral Radiance. Then we got Silver Tempest. So and Sword and Shield. Before we even start separating by energy, we're going to separate the different booster packs. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe for more content. Let me know if you found anything useful in this video. I know I was frustrated when I first began, and so I hope this helped.